As our computer storage devices get larger and larger, and the amount of data that we store on our computers gets larger and larger, it's harder and harder to navigate through all of it. Apple devotes a lot of research and resources to helping us navigate. You see in Leopard, for example, the Spaces feature, which lets you organize the windows on your screen. What we have here is a feature called Spotlight, which lets me search for a word or phrase, and it will search for it in a variety of places. It's found a definition in the dictionary. It's found documents that contain that word or phrase, email messages, images that are tagged with that word or phrase. A whole variety of things come up as I search with Spotlight. Now, that same technology is moved over to the Help menu. I can search help topics for a word or phrase, and I can look at these, and chances are I will find something that might work. I can look at more results in a window, in the Help window, and it takes a while to open. Here are the additional help topics that may or may not be related to modem, which is what I was searching for. The Help menu still has within it, if I clear the search field, I still have traditional help available to me below the search field, and it will open the Help viewer so that I can see what's going on there. This is a wide variety of search features powered primarily by Spotlight. But there's more, because I can search the files and folders with additional search criteria. I'll close some of these windows, and you'll see here in a Finder window I can search for a word or phrase, and I'll go back to New York. And I'm doing the same kind of search that I was doing in Spotlight, and I'm getting the same results. But I now have the ability, if I do it from a Finder window, to add attributes. I can say I only want documents. And now if I search, you'll see I've just got a few documents here. I can say that I may only want, let's look at the types of documents that I have. I have several PDF documents, so maybe I only want to look at PDF documents. And right away I've gotten a refined set of documents. But I can add additional attributes. So, for example, I can say I want something that has been opened within the last 7 days. And there's nothing that now matches that attribute. I could choose any number of attributes here, including the infamous Other attribute. And this is perhaps the most powerful part of Spotlight, because it's been set up so that if files have certain attributes, they can be searched on. If you're searching digital camera images, you can search for the aperture setting at which an image was taken, as long as the camera records it. One of the very useful things about searching for files is that you can determine whether an invisible file should be shown. The Finder normally only displays visible items. These are files that are marked as to be shown to the user in the Finder because they are the normal files that the user should see. But there are files that are used internally within Mac OS X, and if you choose to search either for invisible items or visible or invisible items, you will find those files and folders that you normally would not see. So you can search by contents, you can search by file names, a vast array of search tools available through Spotlight. And you can also control the preferences for Spotlight, which is what we'll talk about next.